In this video, I'm going to review a fairly old app that not a lot of people know about called OneQ. And as the name suggests, OneQ, you get one question, and per every one question, you get paid 25 cents. It doesn't matter if it's a multiple choice, if it's a written answer, you still get 25 cents. So I do think you guys are going to like this app, and in this video, I'm going to talk about my experience. I'm going to show you inside the app, and I'm gonna just go over general facts and questions you might have about the app and how it works. So with all that said, let's get started. So this is my personal experience. Going into this app, I really didn't know what to expect. I downloaded the app and saw no surveys, but the next day I did get a survey. They have 4 questions in it, and it was over the topic of Cool Ranch Doritos, which I could totally get behind. The 4 questions to answer took me like 2 minutes because I had to watch the 30-second ad, the Dorito ad they gave me. And after that, I got paid $1. I'm like, okay, so where do I go to withdraw this? And like 5 seconds later, a notification on my screen pops up saying that the payment has already been sent to PayPal. That shocked me. I've never seen that before. Just an automatic payment to PayPal. No minimum. Even if you answer one question and earn 25 cents, they're sending that straight to your PayPal. So that was a huge positive sign for me that this app is good. If there's no minimum, if you could get your money right away and they're paying good, this is something I'm definitely interested in. So that's literally all of the app. It's a super simple app and it works. You just wait for the notifications. As soon as you get them, make sure you do the questions, don't miss them. They're really easy and you get paid. Now I'm going to transition into the FAQ about the app, so you have all your questions answered about the app and we're good to go. So how does OneQ work? So basically what all of this says, the reason they pay you so well and so fast is because companies want the answers right now. They want good answers and OneQ provides that. Why haven't I heard of OneQ before? OneQ is changing the rules. However, change takes time.
Our sophisticated proprietary technology has been developed for 2 years. It was born out of frustration with companies and websites like Facebook, LinkedIn, and Google, who use and sell information to make money and none of them pay you.
As more companies use OneQ and more members sign up, there will be even more questions. How much does it cost to sign up? As a member, OneQ is free to sign up, download, and use. In fact, we pay you for your responses. Earn 25 cents by responding to questions and offers. How do I get questions? You get questions straight to your mobile phone. There's 2 ways to get questions, through the mobile app or via text message. Just remember you have the ability to earn more when you download the OneQ app on your smartphone. How do I get paid? You get paid via PayPal, and they send the PayPal money straight to you right away. How do I get more questions? It's just as downloading the app and answering any demographic questions they might provide to you. How often are questions asked? They're asked every day by companies and people around the country. Just remember, some people will get questions based on their demographics and geography. Are you guys a scam? I'll answer that one. Definitely not. I get paid right away after answering the questions. If I don't have a PayPal account, no worries. When you get your first payment, PayPal will send you an email telling you exactly how to claim your money. So make sure to use a valid email address. And I got a message saying I missed the window of time. Why? What this means is the number of responses for that question has been reached. Some questions have to be answered faster than others, so always respond as quickly as you can. Don't worry though, more questions are heading your way. Alright, that's a decent response. Why is OneQ not available in my country? They just say they're adding English-speaking countries first. Do you sell companies my information? And they say never. We will never share your name, contact info unless legally required to do so. You always remain anonymous, so that's very good. This is a funny one. Can I quit my job and just answer questions for OneQ? Gee, I wish. Believe it or not, we've gotten this question more than once. No way. That's crazy. Our customers ask the question, not us. And some members will always get questions based on their demographics and geographics. But there are a few things you can do to increase the number you are eligible to receive. Download the app, keep profile page up to date, and promote OneQ apparently. Okay. Alright, those seem to be the most important questions answered from the FAQ. Clearly, I recommend this app. In my mind, it's worth it. Even if you're getting just 2 questions per month, let's just say your demographics aren't what they're looking for at all. You're getting 2 questions per month, and they're paying you $1 for like 2 minutes of your time. That's worth it, because in my mind, 15 cents per minute is about minimum wage. So if I'm getting at least 15 cents, it's definitely worth it. So yeah, I highly do recommend 1Q. Go try it out. I'll leave a link in the comments and the description. So thanks for watching. Hope this helped. Peace out. Peace.